guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen again. I hope you're doing well. I'm excited for a couple of reasons. I got my second vaccine, depending on when you're watching this, so I'm super excited. And I'm going to teach you an amazing, easy, delicious, versatile, healthy recipe, and that is my cauliflower pizza steaks. How does that sound? So a few years ago, I wanted something a bit lighter. I wanted pizza. I didn't want all the carbs. And of course, I wanted something delicious. And I had a huge cauliflower. Hello. So that's how I came up with it. What you're going to need to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees. And we're going to bake it for about 40 minutes. The other thing you're going to do is I have a large rock grill right now heating up on top of my oven because I want to sear the bottom first so it gets really nice and crispy. If you don't want to do that part, you can just put it in your oven, all right? But I've sprayed it and I have it on a medium to high heat, all right? And of course, you're gonna need your cauliflower. So I just want to show you that I just cut my large cauliflower in half. Now don't worry, you're not going to get tons of big pieces, and that's okay because you can have big, you can have small. It's great for any meal, for a snack after a workout, okay? I love this. And even as an appetizer, you can make little ones or large cauliflower steaks. So I cut it in half first. And then I just take a really big sharp knife, and you want to make it, a couple inches thick. You don't want it too thin because you want to make sure it stays together. Okay? Like that. Okay, so I just wanted to show you. And of course, some of it's falling apart right now, but that's okay because you can make small ones or you can turn the rest into cauliflower rice, and I have lots of other recipes. So I just want to show you that here they are right now, and I'm just going to make sure this is hot. And what I'm going to do is, the first thing is I want to sear it. I want to make sure that it gets nice and crispy like a pizza dough, all right? And the only thing you're going to need is cheese. You can use whatever cheeses you want. I'm using my own homemade marinara. You can use my meat sauce or my other marinara sauce, Risa Weiner, YouTube. And this way, when you use your own marinara, hello, it's 0 smart points for those of you on WW. And then I also have turkey pepperoni, and for 10 of them is 1 smart point. So really, this is versatile. It depends on how many you make and how much you put on. So you can use regular cheese. You can use, I'm using a light mozzarella and a shredded Zerto. You can use, Zerto's the brand, sorry, Asiago. You can use Romano, Parmasean, whatever you like, okay? You can just mix it up and do what you like. That's what I love about recipes. Okay, so it's getting hot, and I'm going to add this to, oh, I heard a nice sizzle. All right, so I'm just going to add these, and I'm going to take that other nice large one. And you can double or triple this recipe. However, again, depends on how big your cauliflower or how small your cauliflower is and how many people you're making it for. So I like to just sear it. And while it's searing I'm putting it on a higher heat, I'm just going to add, I have a little bit of smoked paprika that I just like to sprinkle on. I just love the taste of it. And then a little bit of some onion powder. Oops, I missed one. That's all right. And again, if there's something that you don't like and you don't want to add, you can add what you want. And if you have some fresh herbs, garlic, anything, you can add to it, all right? I'm just adding some, I'm just using some powder right now. And if you want to add some veggies, you can do that. All right, so it's smoking here. And now, while I'm just gonna turn that down. And you'll see that it's gonna get a nice brown sear on this side. And while it's doing that, I'm adding my own marinara. So again, you can use like a quarter of a cup, a half a cup, it depends. I'm using about a half a cup right now because I'm making quite a few. And you're just gonna add that on all your cauliflower. So if you like a lot of sauce, add a lot. If you want just a little bit, you know, you can do a cream sauce. And you can use fresh herbs like fresh basil, thyme, whatever you like, okay? And I like it with lots of good sauce on it. But of course, if you want, you can use pizza sauce on it or a jarred marinara, which I have here too. So you can use a pizza sauce or you can use a marinara. Now, of course, I'm going to add a little bit of some oregano or some Italian seasoning, just a sprinkle, and then, of course, the cheese. So you can hear it sizzling, and it's getting pretty hot in here. I might have to turn the fan on a little bit. Okay, I just want to show you, let's see, that it's getting a nice brown sear to it. Okay. All right. And now, of course, I'm going to add my cheese. And the great thing is it's already on the grill, so you don't have to change it. Just keep it on your grill and then make sure that it's oven safe. Okay, so I'm adding my low-fat mozzarella. And again, it really depends. Mine is about 3 smart points. And if you like more, and then I have my shredded, because I like a couple of different cheeses. It just makes it so tasty. And cover it all up. And my turkey pepperoni. But if you want veggies on it or you don't want any pepperoni, you could add chicken meat to it. You can add real pepperoni, whatever. You can add sausage. You know, it's versatile, so you can add whatever you like. And then, depending on, like I said, the ingredients. There you go. That one's just plain. And now, let's just check the bottom. Yeah, it's really nice and brown. And now, I'm going to add it to the oven, and once it's all done and cooked and gooey and delicious, I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Hey guys, and I'm back, and here's the rest of the pizza. It's nicely melted, the cheese, and the pepperoni is nice and crisp, just the way I like it. It took only 30 minutes, so check your oven. Every temperature is different. And you're just going to be counting, for those of you, my WW peeps, the marinara, depending on what sauce you use. If you use mine, Risa Weiner YouTube, 0 smart points, okay? And then the cheese that I used was 4 smart points. I used 2 different kinds, and the pepperoni, 2 smart points. So for all of this huge meal or side dish or appetizer or snack, 6 smart points. Not bad for something healthy, delicious, and you won't miss eating on a crust, okay? This is so good. So please share my channel. Tell me what you think. Comment below. You can change it up, of course. And I love when you tag me and you take pictures and post my recipes. All right. Love you guys, and stay tuned for lots more recipes. And I'm going to put this down and blow you a kiss. Bye for now.